How to increase Telegram download speed. If you're tired of waiting forever for files to download on Telegram, then this tutorial is for you. Today, we'll show you how to fix slow downloads and boost your Telegram download speed. So let's get started. Now, let's begin with the first thing you should check: your internet connection. Whether you're on Wi-Fi or mobile data, a weak connection can really slow things down. Step 1 is to make sure you have a stable and fast internet connection. You can simply do this by also running a speed test on your Chrome or your browser. Or you can simply also try to browse some websites to see if they load properly. Now, if your connection is slow, you might want to switch to a better Wi-Fi network or check your mobile data settings as well. Now, if you're using a VPN or proxy, this can sometimes affect your download speeds. VPN can slow down your connection by routing your data through servers far away. Simply go to your settings, and if you have your VPN on, here at the bottom of cellular, you can find VPN. Simply turn that off. Now, next step is to clear cache in Telegram. Sometimes the app's cache can build up over time and slow things down. Clearing the cache can help free up some space and improve performance. To do this, open Telegram, go to settings and simply scroll and tap on data and storage. Then select storage uses. From here, you can simply tap on clear entire cache. This will remove temporary files and potentially speed up your downloads. And that's it. These are some of the most efficient ways to speed up your downloads and fix any issues with slow speeds on Telegram.